Hi everyone, thank you again for stopping back by my channel. This is Simply Kiwi. This is a drip marble DIY for beginners. If you like thus far, please stay tuned. These are the following items I'll use in this mani. Here I am applying the LA Colors polish as the base. I'm using some duochromes with this particular manicure, and I want the base to be wet, so I'm applying these drops of this next color. And then I'm just applying other colors on top of the original drops. I saw this technique with Colette from My Simple Little Pleasures, and I wanted to show you how easy and simple it is to get this water marble look effect without having to use water. Now you just simply take the palette, which is the Oatmeal Lid that I use, and I'm just twirling the polish around. You have to make sure that everything is wet, but just twirling it around to get a certain look or pattern, mixing all of the colors together. And as you can see, it gives a water marble look. I'm applying the yellow stopper to my nail so that when I do the decals and have those decals cut, I can apply them easily and they'll go ahead and stick to my nail. I did allow the decals to dry overnight, and then I did go ahead and cut them in strips, and then I did apply them and put them in my little small photo album, which has some plastic in it to keep them nice and pliable until the next day. Here you can see where I have already cut the strips, and then I had them in my photo album. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply that with my tweezers to my nail, and I'm just patting it so I can form it. And now I'm going to use this cuticle pusher to go ahead and cut those edges around it, shaping it to my nail. I love the way this turned out. Those colors together just looked so beautiful to me. I'm just making sure and cleaning up the excess around the edges there. And voila. Now I'm going to use the orange wood stick dipped in acetone to melt away those excess edges. And also I'm using this little small emery board to go ahead and just get the edges off a little bit easier. See how I'm getting that excess from underneath. And now I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild clear top coat to smooth everything out. And if you have any, I'm using this brush because I have some edges around it that's, you can see the base of my nail. So I'm just filling that in a little bit. and then I'll clean up the edges. My famous Marvy jewel picker, and I'm using these crystals, these Swarovski crystals, and I'm going to apply those jewels and the crystals to my nail to give it give it a little bit of a design. You know I like my bling. And now I'm just pressing those down firmly so they'll be nice and secure. And that is the completed mani. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.